If you're in your 20s and thinking about diving into the world of business but not sure where to begin, stick around. We've got 3 awesome business opportunities tailored for your age group. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner in life. If you find the info helpful, show some love by giving us a thumbs up. Let's jump right in. Before we kick things off, let's chat about something we've all felt at some point: anxiety. And more specifically, financial anxiety. So what exactly is it, you might wonder? Well, financial anxiety is that uneasy feeling many of us get when it comes to money matters. It's the stress, worry, and tension tied to our financial situation. Picture that nagging concern about bills, debts, or the uncertainty of the future. It's not a fun ride, but the good news is you're not alone. Now, why do people find themselves tangled up in financial anxiety? It often stems from a variety of factors. First off, there's the pressure to meet day-to-day expenses, juggling bills, and making ends meet. Then there's the fear of the unknown, not having a clear financial plan or facing unexpected expenses. Social comparisons can play a role too, as we often measure our financial status against others. All these factors can create a perfect storm of financial stress. So, how do we navigate through the sea of financial anxiety? Managing it involves a mix of practical steps and a healthy mindset. Start by creating a budget to get a grip on your expenses and income. Building an emergency fund can provide a safety net for unexpected costs. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. With that being said, let's talk about financial literacy. It's basically knowing how to make smart decisions with your money. It's like having the skills to handle your finances wisely, from budgeting to planning for the future. Now, to be financially smart and build up your money, start by spending less than you make. This means not splurging on everything and making a budget to track your spending. By doing this, you have extra money to save and invest, creating a safety net for unexpected expenses and helping you reach your long-term goals. Investing is like planting seeds to grow your money. Once you've got some savings, consider putting it into things like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Understanding these basics and spreading your investments can help your money grow over time, setting you up for a more secure financial future. So, financial literacy is not just about today, it's about making your money work for you in the long run. Talking about the long run, let's dive into the first business opportunity: investing in glucagon-like peptide-1 GLP-1 drugs. Yep, we're talking about the health sector. And you know what they say, health is wealth. So what exactly are GLP-1 drugs? These are medications that help control cravings for food and even alcohol. They work by moderating the signals in your brain that make you feel hungry or thirsty, making them pretty intriguing in the world of health and wellness. Now, these drugs not only have the potential to reduce cravings, but also to have a significant impact on the market. Imagine a solution that helps people manage their eating habits and alcohol intake. That's a game changer, right? It not only promotes healthier living, but also addresses a growing concern in society. However, like any opportunity, there are downsides. One drawback is that these drugs may require regular dosage increases to maintain their effectiveness. Plus, they can be on the pricey side, which could limit accessibility for some individuals. When it comes to side effects, weight loss is a common one. While shedding a few pounds might sound appealing, it can be concerning for those who are already at a healthy weight. So, it's essential to consider the potential impacts on various individuals, especially those with open attitudes towards health and balanced eating habits. Despite the challenges, there's room for innovation. Entrepreneurs, especially those in their 20s, could explore opportunities in developing new technologies or solutions to address health issues related to obesity. This could range from improved drug formulations to complementary digital health platforms that support individuals on their wellness journey. If you're considering jumping into the GLP-1 drugs business, especially in your 20s, here's a tip. Start by educating yourself. Dive into the science behind these drugs, understand the market trends, and keep an eye on potential advancements. Building a strong foundation of knowledge is key. Network with professionals in the health and pharmaceutical industry, and consider seeking mentorship to guide you on this entrepreneurial path. Remember, every venture comes with risks, but with the right knowledge and dedication, you might just find yourself in a thriving industry that contributes not only to your success, but also to the well-being of others. Now, let's chat about our second big business opportunity for you in your 20s, AI in healthcare. Brace yourselves because this is where the future is knocking on the doors of the healthcare industry, ready to shake things up. AI is causing quite a stir in healthcare, and it's not just a trend, it's a full-blown disruption. Picture this: machines analyzing medical data, predicting diseases, and personalizing treatment plans. It's like having a smart assistant for your health, and it's changing the game. For businesses, there's a massive potential to ride the AI wave and transform healthcare for the better. From optimizing administrative tasks to diagnosing illnesses more efficiently, AI can streamline processes, reduce errors, and ultimately improve patient care. It's like having a tech-savvy ally in the complex world of healthcare. Now let's get real about the issues in the US healthcare system. High costs, poor outcomes, and frustrated patients. It's a tough scenario. But here's where AI steps in as the superhero. By addressing these problems head-on, AI has the potential to make healthcare more accessible, efficient, and patient-centric. So if you're thinking about starting a business in AI for healthcare, here's the scoop. It's all about intellectual capital and credentialing. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate this cutting-edge field. Stay updated on the latest AI advancements and how they can be applied to healthcare challenges. Consider building partnerships with healthcare professionals and institutions to ensure your business is rooted in credibility and expertise. With the right mix of innovation and know-how, you could be at the forefront of a healthcare revolution. The key is to leverage AI, not just as a buzzword, but as a powerful tool to reshape the future of healthcare for the better. Alright, let's wrap it up with our final major business opportunity for those in their 20s. Small business ventures in transition. This one's a gem, especially for young go-getters who might not have taken the traditional college route or have loads of resources at their disposal. Now, imagine this. Small companies owned by baby boomers who are looking to pass the torch. This is where young individuals without the classic college degree or a hefty bank account can step into the spotlight. These businesses might be local gems, well established but in need of some fresh energy. Here's the exciting part. These transitioning businesses could be a golden opportunity for scrappy entrepreneurs. Instead of starting from scratch, you could gradually acquire these businesses, paving your way into entrepreneurship with a capital-efficient approach. It's like inheriting a well-loved family recipe. You add your twist, but the foundation is already there. So why is this a game changer for those in their 20s? Well, it's a chance to learn the ropes of business ownership in a real-world setting. You get to understand the ins and outs, make strategic decisions, and put your own stamp on an established venture. It's like entrepreneurship with training wheels, providing a practical education that beats any textbook. For the ambitious souls eyeing this opportunity, it's all about networking and keeping your ear to the ground. Build relationships with business owners looking to transition, understand the local market, and be ready to embrace the challenges that come with taking the helm of an existing venture. This way, you not only enter the entrepreneurial arena but also contribute to the growth and evolution of businesses that have been the backbone of many communities. So if you're in your 20s and ready to dive into the business world, Keep an eye on those small business gems in transition. They might just be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. That's a wrap on the 3 major business opportunities for folks in their 20s. But hey, before you go all in, here's a golden tip. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Yep, think of it like playing a game of poker with your business ventures. In investing, there are ups, downs, and unexpected loops, so it's smart to play it safe. Only put in money that won't give you sleepless nights if it decides to take a temporary vacation. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket and can bounce back from any unexpected twists. By only investing what you can afford to part ways with, you're protecting yourself from major stress and keeping your financial stability intact. Remember, the business world is like a wild ride, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. So whether you're exploring GLP-1 drugs, diving into AI in healthcare, or eyeing those transitioning small businesses, keep this tip in your back pocket. It's not just about making money, it's about enjoying the journey without losing your shirt in the process. Hope you enjoyed today's video, Luxo lovers. If you did, show us some love by giving a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comment section and spread the wisdom by sharing with others. Let's pay it forward and help fellow 20-somethings out there. If you're new to Luxo-Life, hit that subscribe button. Investing your time with us means gaining a wealth of knowledge to level up your luxurious lifestyle. Don't forget to stay in the loop by subscribing. Catch you in the next one.